Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Adventures. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me 3 products from the brand Nature Leaf, and they are giving me a tutti frutti kind of a vibe. So before getting into the details of these products, let's know a little about this brand Nature Leaf. The products of this brand Nature Leaf are 100% organic, herbal, and they are paraben free. They do not use any harmful chemicals or mineral oil or anything in their products. Their products are safe for everyone. They have a wide range of products which includes skin care, hair care, intimate hygiene, intimate care, and personal care. So do check the description box. I'll be sharing the link of this brand. This is the Nature Leaf Vitamin C Skin Brightening Face Scrub. And this 200 grams of product retails for 699 rupees. If you check the website, there is always a discount going on. This has hyaluronic acid, which will help you in giving a wrinkle-free skin. This also has argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. This will remove dead skin cells. This will lighten your complexion, will give you a glowing skin, repairs sun damage. This also removes blemishes. If you have spots on your face, this will help in removing that, and also this will help in removing blackheads, obviously acne and pimples, because this is saying acne and pimple free skin. This cleanses your face, this adds a brightening glow, and also this is for all skin types. Like anybody can use this. Even if you have an oily skin or dry skin, you can use this. This has a granularly kind of a texture, if you can see, and this smells like lemon. So how you have to use this, just take a little on your fingertips and just massage it in a circular motion on your skin and wash it off after like 1 or 2 minutes. Just scrub for 1 or 2 minutes and then wash it off. Your skin will actually feel very nice and very fresh, and this fragrance is very nice. And once you wash off your face, you can still feel that lingering kind of a lemony scent. This is the second product, and this is the Nature Leaf Whitening and Brightening Cucumber Skin Repair Gel. And this 200 grams of product retails for 599 rupees. This is enriched with cucumber, vitamin C and vitamin E. This has anti-inflammatory properties which will soothe your skin and add a glow. You can also use this gel to treat skin conditions like eruptions, eczema, thick freckles, pimples, blackheads and wrinkles, and this will also hydrate your skin. And if you use this daily, this will give you a brightening and whitening effect on your skin tone. And using this is also not rocket science. Just take a little product in your hands, just warm it up a little bit and dab it on your face, and then massage it gently so that this penetrates inside your skin. You can use this before sleeping for maximum benefits, like for like good 7 to 8 hours it will be on your skin, so that will be very good for you. So you can do it like that, or you can use it at any time of the day. So this is the second product. This is the third product, and this is the Nature Leaf Orange Skin Lightening Gel, and this has the miracle of orange, vitamin E and C. And this 200 grams of product retails for 599 rupees. This has orange extracts which has anti-aging properties. This has vitamin C and vitamin E, and we all know vitamin C has skin lightening and brightening properties. This will remove all the dark spots if you have on your face, or any pigmentation you have on your face. This will help in removing that, and the texture of this gel is very non-sticky, if you can see. So once you apply this, your skin won't feel sticky or heavy. So if you have pigmentation on your face, if you have blemishes on your face, then definitely you can give this a shot. This smells very nice. This smells like orange candy. Like, this has a very nice orangey kind of a fragrance. And in case I forgot to tell you, this one has an exact fragrance of cucumber. I mean, if you close your eyes and sniff this, you'll feel that you're sniffing a cucumber. So it's that natural. So there are no harmful, there are no that strong fragrances which some products do have. This doesn't have a very strong fragrance. It's like similar to cucumber. So yeah, using this gel is also not rocket science. Just take a little quantity, warm it up in between your palms, and just dab it on your skin and massage it gently so that this penetrates. The main idea is to massage this so that it penetrates into your skin. Then that will give better results. So these are 3 products I talked about, and do check the link in the description box. The link will directly take you to these products. It will be easier for you to find it. And do give this scrub a try, because this scrub is really very good and I really liked it a lot. This has a very nice fragrance, plus the granules, they don't feel very rough on skin, because I have sensitive skin and my skin didn't turn red after using this. So that was a very good sign for me, because mostly scrubs, they kind of, give me red patches, which is not that good. So this one didn't do that, and my skin was feeling very soft and very rejuvenated and very nice. So in case you don't want to try the gel, do try the scrub, because this is very good and comes in a very convenient kind of a jar, so you can carry this anywhere. So yeah, that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.